Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine. It comes to us with like no hot water coming out, the steamer wasn't working, and there was like many defects in the machine. Sometimes works random, and when I test the machine, I thought it's the solenoid valve, but after I tested, I figure out the solenoid not receiving enough power and sometimes not receiving power at all. So that was like this trice board was burnt. If you could see, it's from here, this area. So I just replaced it, and that was like caused because there was leak in the top of the steam boiler, and that located right on the top of that leaks. And that's like from around these probes, water probes, and there's some hoses also close to it, and it has these O-rings, stuff like that. Yeah, these get all O-rings replaced. And after I replaced the O-rings also, I noticed one of those was leaking, so I knew the other two gonna leak soon, so I just replaced them, and I give the machine cleaning cycle. And when I was start descaling it, the drain here, one of the drains here for the steam boiler was stuck. I opened it all the way and it didn't give the water out to put the descaler in there instead, so I did it I used another way to do it. So I took off one of these probes again, and I used these tiny hoses with this pump, and I took the water out. I put the descaler there. I kept it for like 30 minutes while the machine is off to make sure not burning the heating element, and I flush it back. Then I did that like 2 times. Then I flush it, clean it with a clean water, and replace after clean the group head. I replaced the gasket in there, the group head gasket and the shower screen. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. Bubble. Okay, there you go. It's harder a little bit with the new gasket, but by the time it's gonna be better. This is not the best beans. I'm using just testing beans. I just want to show that it works and pulling out the shots. Okay, that's a nice shot coming out. Let's test the hot water. That works good. And the steamer. Yeah, forget to mention that I get deep cleaning. The steam ones get really deep cleaning and tested before this test. So that works perfect. That should clean itself. Yep. So the machine now functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.